Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have the Cam Link 4K from Elgato, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage your app preferences. So as you can see, the device is not only the device itself, it is the application mainly. This is the Elgato Camera Hub here, and as you can see in the top right corner, we have the gear icon. When we click on it, we can see that this is our software version. Check for updates. We can just click it to check for updates. Below that, we can see that we can enable the check mark near the automatically check for updates, and you will see your updates automatically without checking for updates. Below that, we can see open automatically at login, and below that, we can see control prompter scripted hotkeys. We can enable it or disable it. As you can see, here we have the information about hotkeys, and here we can select the preferred snapshot location. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.